Welcome back, Arbab is here and you're watching Arbab Zahoor FX Trader. In this video, we're going to learn about the ICT Total Soup. I will explain you the narratives, the step-by-step process, how it's work, how to find it. Very easy, very simple. Just watch this video till end. We have very simple rules. What we have to find the old highs, old lows, or equal highs and equal lows. Then we have to find the higher time frame POI. We have to find the divergence of two pairs like Euro USD and GBP USD. And then we have to find the fair value gap or the OTE, the optimal trade entry setup, and we have execute our trade. So just first learn these things in this simple diagram, then I will show you on real chart. What we see here in Euro USD, we have this old high here, okay, resting here where the liquidity was there. What happened? The price came and take out these old highs, equal highs, or old session highs, whatever that is, okay. Once you take out and also tap on higher time frame POI, it can be your breaker block, it can be your order block, it can be your fair value gap, whatever is that one, or it just can be a sweep, okay. After that, then you shift on the 1 minute time frame or your short time frame and wait for the displacement move, enter in the fair value gap and downside. This is not only thing. What you have to find to confirm the more accuracy, you have to find the GBP USD. In GBP USD, you will find the same equal highs but did not take out. It means the divergence. These two pairs, if they behave like this, one is take out the liquidity of the old highs of old equal lows or equal highs, okay, as per your bullish or bearish scenario. And in GBP USD, if it's not happen, if the price did not take the previous day high or low or previous low high of session, anything, then this will be your ICT total soup. This is a very simple method, very easy method. Let me show you example on the chart. Now you see on the left side I have a Euro USD chart on a 15-minute time frame, and on the right side we have a British pound GBP USD on a 15-minute time frame. On 19th of the on the 20th of the September, both chart, as you can see, my time is UTC -4, 20 September 2023 and 20 September 2023. In Euro USD, as you seen, as you know, the Euro USD and GBP USD price move almost same, okay. So here you see in the your New York session, price take the liquidity of the previous day of 19 September of New York, and after that price tap in the previous day this our higher time frame POI 15-minute, that is the wick or order block, breaker block, whatever you called, okay, or fair value gap, or any wick that take out the previous previous low and high or previous session liquidity. It can also consider as a your breaker block, order block, or whatever you call, okay. So once these happen, then you will shift on the 1 minute time frame and target your opposite side liquidity, okay. But total soup only confirmed after you find the divergence. Now you see in GBP USD, same 19 September and then we have a 20 September, but price failed to take out the previous day or previous low high and then move into the same way. It's called a divergence. One take out the sweep of the liquidity, one did not take any liquidity, okay. So this is a very simple setup. Just go and apply on your chart. It can be your indices, it can be your forex pair, whatever you call it, okay. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe it, or you have any question, make sure you ask me in the comment or in my Telegram channel. I have a Telegram channel where I post a free signals, free analysis for you. You can come there. I will update about the news and everything. And one more thing, if you have a broker that have a more spread, then I have a broker which have a zero spreads on a major pair like gold, Euro USD, GBP USD. So you can join in the description about my Telegram channel and that broker as well. Best of luck.